The coronavirus is spreading all over the world. I said back in January, I says, this is going to hit us hard. Locksmiths, be prepared. Now it's here. They're shutting down borders. They're stopping flights. It is affecting business. We've had, in some areas, we've had big drops in our business. But now we're seeing an increase in other parts of the businesses. And this is an opportunity for locksmiths. Public events are shutting down, but now they want to restrict more access, and they're rekeying the locks to stop people from going into other areas. We're finding the seniors' homes. They now have to restrict access to their seniors' homes because of the coronavirus, and they're rekeying all their exterior doors. So there's huge opportunities. We've got areas that we're renting out to public events. They're just closing down their whole public events, and they've got keys all over the place, and they're finding people are coming and going whenever they feel. So there's huge opportunities right now. There's hospitals have to be secured, community events, seniors' homes. So this creates a lot of opportunities for you. Also, which is interesting, usually break-and enters or burglaries of homes go down when there's disasters because people are home. You know, they're not out and about. They're at the house. That creates less opportunity for burglars. However, now the businesses are more vulnerable. We just had a bunch of churches got broken into because they're not as busy with shutting down community events, so they're quiet. And the burglars can't bust into the homes because everybody's homes. So now they're breaking into churches. I'm just going to leave right now. I'm going to a church, and we're going to have to secure it down. Also, the businesses now, if they got toilet paper, whoa, that's a big commodity right now. Lock up your toilet paper. That's a joke, but hey, I'm serious. We got people fighting in Costco over rolls of toilet paper. I'm not saying we're going into anarchy. With all this hype and fear, people aren't being reasonable. They're cocooning up at home. Businesses are shutting down, but these businesses are vulnerable too. They're getting broken into. So locksmiths, you can do a couple things. You can cocoon up and just ride it out, or you can go out there and make some money. There's lots of opportunity. If you saw my other video on how to be safe, hey, it's too late to buy masks. I told everybody to go buy masks a long time ago. It's too late to get masks. We're going to see more coming out. But bottom line is, if you're going to go to a senior's home and there's problems, wash your hands. You can make your own. All you need is the rubbing alcohol and some aloe vera. You can make your own hand antiseptic. You can wear a face shield. There's lots of face shields out there. You know, you just want to stop somebody coughing on you. If you can't get a mask, get a face shield. There's still lots of gloves available. You know, you go to Costco, buy a 300 pack. You can go out there, and you can probably go out there safely and not get sick yourself. So you can make some money here. Your choice, cocoon up, ride it out, or make some money. We did see a business drop for a bit, but now we're seeing a big upswing. Sell gun safes to all your customers. The bottom line is, you don't have to put guns in it. You can just put basics. You can lock your toilet paper up in your gun safe. But a gun safe is really good for your clients because it's a big area. It's very secure. You can put in your, food supplies. You can put in your valuables. Businesses, throw a big gun safe in the back and throw your valuables in there. If you're going to cocoon up and stay home, secure your business. So this is an opportunity for locksmiths. Go there, give them ideas on how to make it harder to break in. Sell them a gun safe, big gun safe, cheap one, expensive one, whatever. Throw their stuff in it. There's lots of opportunities here. Hospitals, seniors' homes, businesses. People are fearful. So we're not saying take advantage of people or everything, but the bottom line is we're locksmiths. We're going to be the last to starve out there. We're not going to go hungry or go without toilet paper. You can be busy. You can make some opportunities here, make some business. Don't be afraid. Wash your hands. Worst case, wear a face shield. Hey, when you come home, I have outside clothes and inside clothes. When I come in from outside, all my clothes and my shoes hang in my garage. And then I go wash my hands, and then I change into my inside clothes. And sometimes, take a shower right away. Outside clothes, inside clothes. I got the same thing with the kids. The kids home from school. First thing they got to do is wash their hands. Second thing they have to do is change your clothes to inside clothes. So, basic hygiene. It's flu season. Yes, we don't really, is this one bad or worse? It is a flu that does have a high mortality rate in the elderly. We're still learning about it. They're shutting down borders. They're shutting down air flights. Hey, I'm ranting here a bit, but it's an opportunity, locksmiths. We can make it. When it's good times, we make money, and when it's bad times, we make money. It's a nice business. It's nice and steady. Go out there, be prepared, do some basic stuff, make some money, and call your clients up, give them some ideas. They are fearful. They need some feel-good stuff. Your chance to make some money and keep busy. So, have a good day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.